I just put primer on my eyes, and now I'm going to go into a matte color from Authentic Blemishes Cosmetics, and this is in the color M50. I'm just going to apply that to my crease and socket area, just going in a windshield wiper motion, just back and forth. I'm going to apply it pretty liberally, just because I really kind of want it to be the base transition shade. I'm going to blend it out too, so it's not like as intense. Now I'm just going to jump into Dandelion from Copacetic Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that to the lower part of my crease and actually onto my mobile lid. This is a slightly more mustardy yellow, and I'm going to blend that into M50. And then for my brow bone, I'm just going into Unicorn from Lele Posh Cosmetics, and I'm just putting that on with my finger because it's kind of a chunky shadow, and it didn't do super great with the brush I used. It did a little better with my finger. It's a really pretty color, and it's a really nice color for your brow bone area. And to slightly darken up my outer V, I'm just going into Violet Voss's The Essentials palette, and I'm just going into the color Cinnamon, and I'm just putting that right in there. Just because I want a little bit of the dimension on the end. Or depth, I mean, sorry. So I just applied a glitter glue to my mobile lid, meeting up to where Cinnamon is, and now I'm going into a flaky from Copacetic Cosmetics called Chrysanthemum. And I'm still not 100% great with flakies, but I really am trying to get the hang of getting them on and stuff. I still don't get them on, like, I know they're always going to be textured, but I feel like I still end up with a lot of texture with them, but I think it's just my application. So I'm still playing around with them, but I still think that they're super, super pretty, and this color is gorgeous. So I definitely want to get more use out of it. Sorry, my finger's probably blocking, but I'm just patting it on. Then I'm going to go into Lele Posh again, and I'm going to go into the color Encore. And again, I'm just taking my finger, it looks like this, and I'm just going to the ends of it, kind of where it meets Cinnamon, in the middle. And then I still want to darken it up a little bit, so I'm going into the color Rich Bish from Lele Posh, and I'm putting that there as well, kind of on top of Encore, but right before Cinnamon, just so that it's a little bit of a smoother transition with the sparkles into the matte. Then I'm just going to take the brush that I had cinnamon on, and I'm just going to blend them in a little bit. I'm not even reapplying cinnamon to it. I'm just using what was already on the brush and just going in there. Same with Dandelion. I'm just going to go a little bit over here, and that's it. For my waterline, I just went into a pencil from, it's a Multichrome pencil from Authentic Blemishes in the color Mississippi River. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just going to stick with the color Cinnamon from the Violet Voss palette, and I'm just going to run that right under my lower lash line. And then for my inner corner, I'm just going to take the color Cream from the Violet Voss palette and just pop that in with a pencil brush.